Hello guys, and welcome back to Traveling Ghana. I'm Linda and I'm here to bring you a lovely 3-bed with 1 boys quarter property in Adenta. If you don't know, Adenta is a up and coming area in Accra, Ghana. We are 30 minutes from the Kotoka International Airport and 30 minutes from Abri. We're only 20 minutes from East Legon ANC Mall. So it's literally equidistance from the key spots that you want to see in Accra, Ghana. So behind me, we have the 3-bedroom property. Come and follow me. Let's have a look. So as you can see, there's a little bit of green here, just in front of the house. You have space for 2 cars here, and the front of the property goes round the corner, so there's extra space to play for kids and get-togethers. Okay, so you have these lovely security doors, black, and you're greeted immediately in the living area and a dining space also. And under the stairs, you have some more storage. It's a lovely space. It's very nice, bright, airy. They've used white and the finishing is very good. So you can see, well, you may be able to see that the walls are nice and straight, smooth, clean finish. And I really like the black accents that they've used in this space also. It does come with the light fixtures that you can see. So there's light fixtures on the wall here and here. And also above me, a lovely gold and black finishing. It just makes it look very elegant, very demure. And in front of me here, you have sliding doors that lead you outside. And behind me, let's go and check out the kitchen. Okay, so come through and have a look at this lovely kitchen. It's got more than enough space to do your kitchen here. I really like this. I think it's so nice and cute. They've got tiles to the back, and these cabinets have actually been imported from the UK. It's a beige finish with gold trim. You have your sink here. You have space for a washing machine. So what you see is how your house will come to you. So you've got space here for your extractor fan, the hub is there, lots of storage over here. You have your microwave, your oven, and also, that's a nice treat, you have a little wine cooler. Behind me, storeroom. So you can use this as a space for your fridge freezer, or you can bring the fridge freezer out, and you can use this as a pantry space. Just going up the stairs now, but on the right, we do have a downstairs guest washroom. And I really like what they've done with the glass balustrades and this black trim. Really gives it a good touch of luxury there. And these rails are very strong and also a lovely black color. Okay, so as we come up, we have a bit of a landing space. So you can just imagine putting some nice decor there, a mirror just to reflect the light, which is here. We'll go first of all, we'll go to this room, which is bedroom number 3. Similar to downstairs, you've got the grey tiles, nice clean finish to the walls, and the black accents to the windows here as well, which is very nice. Okay, and each room comes with its own washroom, so you do have all rooms en suite. You have a sink, the WC, and a nice shower area here, which just gives a bit of privacy with this blockwork here, finished with nice beige tiling. Okay, so we shall go to bedroom number 2. So this, again, similar finish, slightly smaller than the other one, but very nice, beautifully done again. And a slight different touch where you have a bit of a blue color finish here, but the same beige tiles and the good sized shower area here, while you maintain some privacy if anybody's using the WC. But yeah, very nice. Good height ceilings again. Ceiling height is very good, yeah, actually. Yeah, very high ceilings. Okay, lastly, but not least, we'll enter the, I was gonna say master, but primary. We'll enter the primary bedroom here. Okay, so you can see how big this primary bedroom is. You've got your chandeliers here, and you actually have a balcony right behind me there, which is very nice. It comes with AC, and again, you also have an ensuite. So let's go through. Now, I do like to have a bath every now and again. mostly shower, but for those of you like me that like a bath every now and again to relax and unwind, you have the option of both. Bath, you have your shower here. Outside, downstairs, you have a guest, you do have a guest room as well outside. So we can have a look at that. Okay, so we're outside now, and this side return will lead us to the bedroom, which is outside. You can use it if you have guests staying over, or if you have someone helping you in the house. It's actually a very good idea to have that extra space. It's just outside by the kitchen. So it's on my right here. Now, there is a worker staying here at the moment, so we can't get access to that. What is a good size space for a guest room? Okay guys, so this 3-bedroom, 1 guest room sits on a plot size of 100 by 70 square feet, and it actually boasts living space of 1,800 square feet. So it's a really nice size. Like I said to you before, the location is great. I actually know about this location quite well, and I know that there's the local Adenta market, which is an indoor market, which I prefer to the hustle and bustle of those outdoor markets. You have good clinics, you have pharmacies, you have good schools locally as well, and access, as I said, into Accra and Abri Mountains too. So it's a really good location. We're literally seconds from the main road, Lame Dwahe Street. So I know you want to know, what is the cost of this property? Now it starts at 180,000 USD or equivalent in Ghana cedis. There's 2 available, so you've got to be quick, and there's 1 grand 4-bedroom, which starts a little bit higher as well. The description of this property is down below in the description box, so do check that out and let us know if you like what you see, if you're interested, which I'm sure some of you out there are. Hit us up, contacts in the description box below, and we look forward to hearing from you. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share what you've seen today. I'm sure you have people that would love this property and would love to hear more about what Traveling Ghana has to offer in future. Now, on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.